Hey guys, sorry I've been absent from YouTube for a while. I have a life event that's taking a lot of my time, so I'm afraid that YouTube hasn't been as important as my family. Hope you understand that. I'm going to create some videos to fill in for the times that I have these type of life events. That way my YouTube channel could keep going and you guys could still enjoy my content. Some of it will be photo slideshows. I'm going to do a series of compilation videos, or putting together a lot of my favorite builds and videos. That way, you guys, that way some of the newer subscribers can enjoy my older content and stuff. Anyways, I'll see you around. Take care.